Picture waking up in a place where ancient mythology meets modern luxury, where every sunrise feels like a scene from a Greek legend. Aphrodite Hills Hotel in Cyprus isn't just another 5-star property, it's where the goddess of love herself would probably book a weekend getaway. This isn't your typical resort review because this place has some seriously intriguing stories to tell. The hotel sits in the heart of Aphrodite Hills Resort, surrounded by rolling landscapes that have witnessed thousands of years of history. And trust me, the walls here could probably write their own travel blog. What makes this place special isn't just the luxury amenities or the pristine location. It's the way everything comes together to create something that feels almost magical. From the moment you step into the lobby, you'll understand why guests keep coming back year after year, and why some never want to leave at all. Let's talk about where you'll actually be sleeping, because the accommodations here are anything but ordinary. The junior suites are a spacious sanctuary spanning 50 square meters, offering more room than most city apartments, complete with private balconies that frame either the Mediterranean Sea or the resort's stunning landscape like living postcards. These aren't just rooms. They're personal retreats with flat-screen TVs, mini bars that actually stock items you'd want to drink, and bathrooms so luxurious, you might find yourself taking longer showers than necessary. The deluxe rooms, though smaller at 30 square meters, pack a serious punch with modern amenities and those coveted balcony views that make every morning coffee feel like a small celebration. What's particularly clever about the design is how each room maximizes natural light while maintaining privacy. You can watch the sunrise without worrying about becoming the entertainment for other guests. The family rooms deserve special mention because they actually understand what families need. Space to breathe, room for everyone's stuff, and enough comfort to keep both parents and kids happy. But here's what really sets these accommodations apart from the competition. The dining scene at Aphrodite Hills Hotel is where things get genuinely interesting, and not just because of the food. Eleonas restaurant serves up international buffet-style meals that somehow manage to feel both familiar and exotic at the same time, with breakfast spreads that could make you skip lunch entirely and dinner selections that change just enough to keep you guessing. Pithari Taverna is where the real magic happens, though. This cozy spot specializes in traditional Cypriot cuisine, serving dishes that have been perfected over generations in flavors that tell the story of the island itself. The Golf Clubhouse restaurant might sound casual, but don't underestimate it. Their light meals and snacks have earned a devoted following among guests, who discover that sometimes the best food comes from the most unexpected places. The main bar becomes a social hub as the day progresses, mixing cocktails that range from classic to creative, while the pool bar serves drinks with a side of sunshine and the kind of relaxed atmosphere that makes time slow down. What's particularly noteworthy is how each dining venue has developed its own personality and regular crowd of guests who swear by their favorite spots. The themed dinner nights have become legendary among repeat visitors, creating an experience that goes far beyond just eating. Now, about those pools, prepare to have your expectations completely recalibrated. The infinity pool isn't just a swimming facility, it's an optical illusion that makes you feel like you're swimming straight into the Mediterranean horizon, creating Instagram moments that will make your friends seriously question their vacation choices. The main pool is designed for actual swimming, not just posing, with enough space for proper laps and depths that accommodate both confident swimmers and those who prefer to stay in the shallow end with a cocktail. The children's pool shows real thoughtfulness in its design, shallow enough for safety but interesting enough to keep kids engaged for hours. What makes the pool experience truly special is the attention to detail. Sun loungers positioned to catch the best light throughout the day. Poolside service that appears just when you need it, and that perfect balance of activity and tranquility. The beach access adds another dimension entirely, with sandy shores and clear waters that look like they've been borrowed from a travel magazine. Water sports enthusiasts can dive into snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding, while beach loungers and umbrellas create perfect spots for those who prefer their water activities to involve nothing more strenuous than watching waves. The beach service understands that different guests want different experiences, from active water adventures to peaceful seaside meditation. When it comes to activities, this resort takes the concept of entertainment seriously without taking itself too seriously. The weekly entertainment schedule reads like a cultural festival featuring live music nights that showcase both local talent and international performers, themed dinner events that transport you to different corners of the Mediterranean, and cultural performances that offer genuine insights into Cypriot traditions. The live shows aren't just background entertainment. They're carefully curated experiences that often feature stories and music passed down through generations. What's particularly impressive is how the activities cater to different energy levels and interests throughout the day. Morning might find you joining a group fitness class or exploring the resort's walking trails, while afternoons could involve more relaxed pursuits like poolside games or cultural workshops. Evening entertainment ranges from intimate acoustic performances to lively dance shows that invite audience participation. The seasonal events deserve special mention because they transform the entire resort atmosphere. Christmas and New Year celebrations that feel magical rather than manufactured, and Easter events that blend religious tradition with festive celebration. The resort's location also opens up opportunities for off-property adventures, from archaeological site visits to traditional village tours that provide authentic glimpses into local life. The spa and wellness facilities at Aphrodite Hills Hotel understand that relaxation is both an art and a science. The treatment menu reads like a love letter to ancient wellness traditions, featuring signature treatments like Aphrodite's Bliss and the Mediterranean massage that incorporate local ingredients and techniques passed down through generations. The spa facilities themselves create an atmosphere of tranquil luxury, with saunas and steam rooms that help you decompress from travel stress and relaxation areas designed for contemplation rather than conversation. What sets this spa apart is the attention to creating a complete wellness journey rather than just individual treatments. The experience flows naturally from one element to the next, whether you're moving from sauna to massage or from treatment room to quiet relaxation space. The therapists bring both professional expertise and genuine warmth to their work, creating sessions that feel personalized rather than routine. The operating hours allow for flexibility in scheduling, though booking in advance is strongly recommended because word has definitely gotten out about the quality of treatments offered here. The wellness philosophy extends beyond the spa itself, influencing everything from the healthy dining options to the peaceful spaces throughout the resort designed for meditation and reflection. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.